What's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. And yes, we got a new gadget in the house for free, and it's from T-Mobile Test Drive. So this is actually my second one I've gotten from the T-Mobile Test Drive website. If you're interested and want to know how to get one, I will leave the link in the description box. It's just a 30-day trial, and then after that, you can do whatever you want to with it. It's a portable hotspot. It gives you data on the go. All right. So this is the first one. I just wanted to show the original one I had gotten. I did several videos with this one. This is the Coolpad Surf. Coolpad Surf hotspot with the LTE. And yeah, so I got plenty of videos about this one. I'll put those links in the description box so you can go rewatch those and see how the performance was with this one. Now, from my testings, the speeds weren't like I thought it would be, but I mean, it's good enough for like when you're traveling and things and that sort. So this is what it's basically going to be for. We're going to have these in the car. And this is the original box for that, for this product. So this is what we came here for, the new one. So we finna go ahead and unbox this. It just came in the mail yesterday. As you can see on my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and YouTube community, I've done already opened it, but I just want to give you guys the unboxing experience of the for free mobile hotspot from T-Mobile. All right, here's the gadget right here. Okay, pretty standard. This is exactly how it looks. I actually liked the bottom part better on this one versus this one, and we'll get into that in a little bit. All right, so around here you got the power button. You got the USB Type-C port, which I like, compared to this one only had the USB-B. All right, so this has USB Type-C. Okay, then you got the WPS. I don't know if we should worry about the WPS button, but it's there. All right, so yeah, that's what you get with the hotspot. This is how big it is, and I'll put those two side by side for right now. Okay, and then we get to the rest of the packaging. You get your starter guide. It basically gives you a rundown, lets you know you get 30 gigabytes of data. Your trial lasts 30 days or 30 gigabytes, whichever comes first. Now that's interesting. So you can use up 30 gigs or 30 days. So I wonder if I can make this expand longer than 30 days, because it did say your trial for 30 days or 30 gigabytes, whichever comes first. All right, but so the features is it comes already with data, text, and Wi-Fi calling, all on the network. All right, so that's what you're gonna get with this hotspot. It has my information about the hotspot. Not gonna look into that. Here goes the USB Type-C cable, which I'm very impressed. Shout out to T-Mobile for that. Not too sure how many portable hotspots come with the USB Type-C now, but yes, you get your own USB Type-C cable, a removable battery, which is very shocking. You rarely see removable batteries these days, and I believe this one has a 3,000 milliamp. Yep, 3,000 milliamps of battery life. That's what's up. And of course, just a generic, traditional, charging brick, as you can see. Okay, so no further ado, let's go ahead and pop this battery in, and we're gonna go ahead and turn this on. And now, as you can see, the SIM card is already inside. All right, and I got another SIM card I want to share with you all at the end of the video. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this on and get some of these devices set up and start speed testing. All right, that's what you guys came here for. All right, so here we go. Powering up the hotspot. Okay. All righty, as you can see. All right, so give it a little second. We're gonna power this one on too. This one doesn't really have data, but just showing you what it looks like when it's turned on. Now, okay, this just to let you know, it's solid green, meaning the battery's fully charged, which is a good thing. We want that. This is for your data, letting you know you got data connection. If it's fully lit, not blinking or anything like that. Also, Wi-Fi network. And then this is also how much signal you have. All right. And when it blinks like that, or it might stop blinking, but if it blinks like that, that means you have a text message. All right. Okay. Here we go. So I'm going to find that network real fast, and then we're going to go connect to it. All right, so the hotspot name is T-Mobile Hotspot. That's the one we want. My bad. That's the one we want, the T-Mobile Hotspot. So we're going to go ahead and connect to it. And I did write down the password. I think the password's on that little paper I got too. So I'm going to plug in the password real fast. Off screen. Then we're going to go ahead and connect. All right, let's see if it shows connecting. Check for the connect. Okay, checking the quality of your internet connection. All right, we're connected. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Boom. All right, what you guys been waiting for. Let's see if I got the speed test application, which I probably don't. Doesn't look like I have it on this phone, but we're going to go ahead and test it on this phone. Matter of fact, let's just go ahead and test the download. Let's see if we can download the app. All right, internet speed test. My bad. Internet speed. There we go. Let's see how fast it downloads it. Okay, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, boom. Let's see. It's probably fair because this is T-Mobile's network now. And it varies per location. Again, the T-Mobile network varies per location. We always have this talk and conversation on my YouTube channel. All right, so here we go. All right, it's ready. Let's open it up. Okay, let's go ahead and get the speed test app started. La la la, loud, loud, blah blah blah. Loud, blah blah blah, done. All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, it says T-Mobile St. Louis, Missouri. It's showing a T-Mobile connections multi-signal. All right, here we go. What you all, the moment of clarity. Here we go. Let's get it. See the pings. 29. Okay, the speeds are going up. This is what I'm getting in the house with T-Mobile on the portable hotspot. This is only LTE. This is not 5G. I repeat, this is LTE. This is not 5G. This is what I'm getting in the house right now. And it's right next to the hotspot. So, and we're gonna test it on another phone too. All right, let's do another test. Let's see if it get any better. All right, that one got 12. And then the uploads looking like it's barely hitting 1 megabytes per upload. All right, we're going to try one more. And then we're going to do it with another device. And also, the network could be congested right now because it is the weekend and it is around lunchtime. So, well, not around lunchtime. It is lunchtime. So a lot of people could be out and about on the network right now. That could be the possibility with this hotspot or with the uploads and downloads. So 1 megabyte. All right, we just did multiple. Those are the speeds I'm getting. Those are the speeds I'm getting here. Okay. All right. All right. So we're gonna try it on this 5G phone, A51. I'm gonna go ahead and connect it to the Wi-Fi. I do have the internet speed test on this one already. Let me clear out the notifications. And it should automatically connect. Gotta wait. Okay, let's see. See if it's connected. No, it's not connected to the right one. Hold on. All right, so it's showing both of them, the Coolpad and the T-Mobile. So let's get to T-Mobile. All right, as you can see, it's checking quality of the internet connection. All right, it's connected. Let's go home. All right, so let me go ahead to the internet speed test. We're gonna run it on this A51. So we're getting different results. We might not. All right, trying to find the server. Okay, showing the same server. T-Mobile, St. Louis, Missouri. All right, so let's hit the go button and let's see what we get. That is very odd. Now the megabytes is getting lower on this device than an older device, which is very weird. But it is what it is. And now it looks like it's not getting any uploads. This is okay. It took it a little bit. Okay, let's give it another test run. Let's test it again. Wow, this is barely getting over. It's not even getting over 4 megabytes per second. Something is very up here. It's not even getting over 40. I mean, it's not even getting over 4 megs. Okay. Wow. Okay, let's try one more. But my notifications and everything coming through like it ain't nothing. Okay, that time it jumped. It jumped a little bit and then it went all the way back down. Very weird, very odd. It jumped, but then it went back down. So we'll give it one more data test. One more data test, guys. One more. Give it a little time. Okay, now it like it tried to go up two up. It almost got up two. Come on, get there. Oh yes, it got there. I think. All right, cool. It stayed there. We'll give another test run. Run more test run. I'm pretty sure we didn't even go over 100 megabytes yet. For free. Oh, see, this is like very odd. It's weird, man. It's weird. Now it's not even showing the up. Okay, I'm about to say now it's not even showing the upload. Okay, the upload got up a little higher. All right. Okay, the test results are in, and look at the top four. Very odd numbers compared to the other phone. So I don't know. Who's this for? I mean, it's really to test the network. If you like it or not, it's really to test the network. But if T-Mobile's good in your area, it's good. As you can see, I'm not sure if this is right, if this is accurate. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts in the comment section below. I mean, it is for free. I mean, you can still browse the web, you can still message, you can still make calls and text with these type of hotspots. You can watch videos, but it might slow, it might buffer. I don't know. Let's try that out. Let's check out YouTube real quick. Let's check out YouTube real quick. Let's see if it plays automatically.
Hi, this is Aaron.
Okay, it seems like it's playing a video pretty good.
What are we doing here? Ah, yes. Today we're launching 3 game-changing.
Let's see the resolution.
Each of which has a charger.
480. I hate that 480.
If you buy the box, but even if you don't, we worked closely with our partners to design the most.
Let's see what it looked like in 1440p. But it seemed like the video came through right away, so I don't know. Maybe it's good for streaming. Maybe not good for speed tests, but okay, as you can see, it's not getting that 1440p right away. Okay,
eco-friendly
here we go.
packaging possible. We can't wait for you to experience.
Sure, pretty good, man, on this A51. All right, so okay, it did buffer, but I think it's best on your resolution and your connectivity. So, all right, but I do like the design of it. I give T-Mobile credit on this design. I like the design. I mean, it's a little big and bulky compared to this Coolpad one, but I like the design of this hotspot. I like the fact that it comes with USB Type-C, so all my cords work. I didn't even have to, wrap that, but it's easy to get the battery out of it. It's easy to remove. I'm not sure about removing the SIM card. Oh, that's the one thing I did want to mention. With these T-Mobile hotspots, if you got Google Fi, you can use your Google Fi data SIMs, and I'll put the links in the description box how to do that. You can put your Google Fi data SIMs inside these T-Mobile hotspots. So that's one cool thing about Google Fi if you guys are interested. But to try out the T-Mobile network and whether or not you want to change your mind and switch carriers, or if you just want one of these for free, I say go to the link in the description box. Leave me your thoughts in the comment section below. I will test this out later on the smart TVs and Fire Sticks and stuff like that. Of course, you guys are going to want to know if you can stream on your 65 inches and your big TVs, your 8K, 4K TVs with this bad boy. But this is strictly, in my opinion, once again, these type of devices are for those that don't always want to have their phones connected, tablets and laptops, things and that sort. You're always traveling, you want to go, and you can't get data only plans cheaper than regular cell phone plans. So keep that in mind. And like I said, another alternative is Google Fi, and I definitely recommend it for those on like the free text now plans or a low budget phone plan. These will be great for you. But if you're a data hogger, I don't recommend this. But like I said, it is for free. Give it a try, and let T-Mobile know your thoughts. All right, it's your boy, 2 phones, or should I say 2 hotspots. I'm out.